Hey guys, Chasing Dreams with Mike here. I am at Busch Gardens at Summer Nights, and this is a something that they've been doing yearly. And this year's a little bit more special because the fireworks are back. And let me see if I can make it onto the field quickly enough, and then I'll give you guys a tour around, show you guys what's up. But yeah, you guys don't forget to chase your dreams, and if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, the notification as well as the like, and let's go check out some fireworks. And all right, you guys, yeah, Busch Gardens Summer Nights. This is Memorial Day weekend. Let's go have some fun with the fireworks, you guys. You can see as I walk in here, they got different food stands, right? Like they always do at Busch Gardens, they always do cool stuff here, you guys, with the food, the coasters, obviously. Look at that, the side of the Iron Closet. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they got all the different foods here. Let me show you guys over here. You know, obviously they got beer. Yeah. Popcorn. What's up? Hello. Yeah. More stuff over here. Handhelds on the go. Here you go. You got some Philly cheesesteaks, grilled Italian sausage, fresh fruit skewer. That looks good, you guys. And I hear some kind of concert going. I better get in. This is the pickup for the other food. Iron Closet, man, it's gonna be so awesome when it opens. I cannot wait to do that. And all right, you guys, Summer Nights, Busch Gardens. Let's go check it out. Look, they got all the nighttime stuff you can buy. All right, this is gonna be awesome. Look at the lights on the ground. Busch Gardens symbol. You got your peacock bar, ice cold bottled beer, hard seltzer, churros, popcorn, cotton candy. Let's see what else is going on over here.
I like it. I like it. About now, so ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, right, go, 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 go. Oh, look at you! Ladies and gentlemen, give yourselves a big round of applause! Yeah! And now is the moment you have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, spark a nighttime spectacular!
All right, here we go. Woo! Knocking straight in the back. All right, this is gonna be awesome, you guys.
Can you feel it? Now it's coming back. We can steal it. If we bridge this gap, we can see
Sounds
it.
back there.
Through the curtains of the waterfall. When I lost it, you held my hand. When I lost it, didn't understand you.
Other Busch Gardens guys doing fireworks.
So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo.
Fountains going in the background. Very beautiful, you guys. Awesome fireworks show, you guys. Wow, you guys. Wow. Wow, that was awesome. Oh boy, welcome to the jungle. This ought to be a good one. Marston's gonna wish he was here. Oh, it's gonna be crazy, you guys. Oh yeah! Woo! Wow.
Been searching in the dark, guess what's all through the floor? Been buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is like red rain. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the paper and your blind devotion. There's something bigger than the brick of every wall that's holding on that you know. So tell me, do you want to go?
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for
That was
attending
awesome, you
Spark,
guys.
a nighttime spectacular.
Summer Nights, Busch Gardens. Don't forget to always kiss your dreams, you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe button rather, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Alright guys, until the next time. Chase your dreams with Mike.